Hi, hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Law Made Simple with me Vidyarati. Today, in the series of Law of Taxation, let us discuss the very important and keen topic GST, Goods and Services Tax, and its kinds. So, this goods and services GST is an indirect tax for the entire nation, which makes India a common united market so that indirect taxes are replaced in the country. So, passed in this parliament on 29th March 2017, goods and services tax is a comprehensive and multi-stage tax levied for every value and addition. This GST came into effect on 1st July 2017 and holds a great significance as both central and state government rely on GST for their indirect tax revenue. So this GST is an indirect tax and it acts as one market, united market for the whole country. It is a common indirect tax and it is replaced by many other taxes. So what are the kinds of GST? There are four different types of GST. They are central goods and services tax, state goods and services tax, union territory goods and services tax, and integrated goods and services tax. Coming to Central Goods and Services Tax, CGST. So, this tax is levied on transactions of goods and services which takes place within the state. So, it is imposed by the central government, of course, but CGST ensures to replace all other central taxes inclusive of state tax, special additional duty, and the sales tax, central sales tax. Okay. So, prices of goods and services under CGST are challenged in accordance with the basic market price. So this central goods and services tax is levied for the transactions of goods and services within the state, and it is inclusive of all other taxes which are state tax, special additional duty, central state tax. All these are inclusive under central goods and services tax, CGST. Coming to state goods and services tax, it is abbreviated as SGST. So this is one of the two taxes imposed on the transactions of goods and services of every state. So every state has certain tax, that is nothing but state goods and services tax. It is levied by state government of every state. As such, central goods and services tax is levied by central government, and state goods and services tax is levied by every state, at every particular state. So this SGST replaces every kind of existing state tax that includes sales tax, entertainment tax, VAT, value addition tax, entry tax, etc. So under SGST, the state government can claim earned revenue. So under CGST, the central government will take the revenue, and CGST tax is taken by the particular state. What is integrated goods and services tax? Integrated goods and services tax is applied on the interstate transactions when the goods and products and services are transferred from one state to another state. This IGST is levied. So when there is a movement of products and services from one state to another, this integrated goods and services tax is levied. Coming to Union Territory Goods and Services Tax, UTGST. So this is applicable within the union territories when there is a supply of goods and services tax, goods and services, and the aim of this UTGST is to apply collection of tax to provide benefits similar to the kind of GST. So under this Union Territory GST, it is applicable only to 5 union territories, which are the Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Chandigarh. So so in total we have 4 kinds of GST: central goods and services tax, state goods and services tax, integrated goods and services tax, and union territory goods and services. So central goods and services tax is imposed by the central government for the products or goods and services within the state, and it is benefited by the central government. And state goods and services tax is imposed by the state government, which is for the transactions of goods and services of every state. And integrated goods and services tax is imposed between the respective states when there is a movement of products and services within those two states. And union territory, of course, to the particular union territories, and only 5 union territories: Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Chandigarh. Only this 5 union territories um, are applicable for the intra-UT supply of goods and services tax. Now we have learned about GST. Let us find out whether there is any benefit of paying taxes to the central and state government separately. Is there any benefit of this GST? Yes, GST presents a transparent tax system imposed on the supply of goods and services. When an item is bought, a common individual sees only the sales tax is applicable on the product label and not various tax components embedded on the product. So, the main aim of GST is to improve the ease of business operations by enhancing tax compliance and boosting the revenue receipts of both central and state government and accelerating the economic growth and eradication of cascading taxes, which results in less burden on many products. So GST in short or in gist, it makes a transparent tax system and eradicates the burden on many products for this tax. So in general, the benefits are eradicating the tax effect, allows higher threshold to business for registration, composition scheme for small business operations, easy and convenient online process, lesser tax compliance, enhanced efficiency of logistics, one nation, one tax. In general, before GST, there were very many kinds of tax like VAT, sales tax, central sales tax, state sales tax, some other kinds of value addition tax, all other tax were there. So after GST came into existence, the central government and state government included all those taxes in it and made a transparent tax systems for making the business ease and also to lower the tax burden on each and every product. As such, we have come to the end of the session. It's riddle time. Please answer the riddle in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.